I'm going to be presenting my final project, which is an enterprise chat and AI suite. It is a system with a modular architecture for scalability and maintainability. It is designed for an enterprise environment. It combines real-time messaging, responsible AI interactions, and robust analytics for prioritizing security and privacy. So the architecture has three main things. The front end, which is built on Streamlit, backend, which is built with Fast API for LLM integration with caching, and SQLite and or JSON L storage with encryption. The security layer is the third part. It's end-to-end message encryption with JWT authentication and audit logging for temper-evident records. Next, we have code quality and testing. It's a modular design with separation of concerns. So every microservice is separated. So the authentication is separate, chat is separate, LLM integration is separate, the auditing is separate. It has centralized error handling. It has type hints throughout the code base and performance and scalability. So there's 40 to 60% latency reduction through prompt caching, lightweight storage with the SQLite plus JSON-L for medium scale deployments, and batch processing support via CLI tools. There's also error handling, which is centralized logger tracks all exceptions. There's graceful degradation for LLM failures, automated retries for transient errors. For documentation, I've included a README with everything. There's three key modules. The database PY, which has the SQL AI Academy ORM models, privacy.py with the PI masking with regex patterns, and filters.py for content safety checks. Uh, sorry, this is supposed to say privacy.py. Then for API documentation, the LLM service endpoint. This is the LLM service endpoint. Then the deployment guide, which is very simple. You just clone the uh repo, install it, you install the requirements, and just actually these two are not needed. You just have to run launch.py, which I will show in the demo. For security and responsibility, um, for security measures, again, there's end-to-end encryption for messages, JWT authentication for token validation. There's input sanitization against XSS and SQLI. There's privacy controls, which is automatic PII masking for IDs, phone numbers. There's user-specific data segregation. There's GDPR compliant data handling. For responsible AI practices, there's prompt filtering against harmful content. There's response censorship for unsafe output. There's clear labeling for AI generated content. For compliance documentation, there's a like if in a production and if this was deployed in a production environment, after 90 days, the audit logs will be deleted. Um, and there's activity logging for all interactions. So after 90 days, it'll be deleted. Sorry, this is what I present. And as for demo, so for me, it's already running. It's very simple. You just have to clone the repo and run Python launch.py. And then uh this opens. You just have to type in your existing user and password. You type in, this is the AI chat. Type in a prompt, send prompt. This is the prompt. Um, User chat. If there's an existing user, you just send them a message. And then this is the dashboard. All your LLM interactions are recorded. Uh, the messages you have received from other users is recorded, and the messages you've sent are recorded. So if you go into the user that I just sent the message to, they will see it in their dashboard, a message that I just sent just now. So to register a new user, I can so it's that easy. You haven't sent any messages or received any messages yet. Otherwise, that's it. And so there's an analytics dashboard as well, which opens up like this. This is for the admin. Right now, it's just for the admin user. These are all the messages that the admin user has sent. This is the frequency of the words that they've used. And this is right now because I opened a new instance, only the admin's messages are logged. So right now it says only admin is there. But this will log all the users that are using the the app. And that's it.